Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for crypto enthusiasts. How to transfer your XRP tokens to your bank account in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process might be even smoother than before, thanks to new regulations and faster blockchain tech. Whether you're cashing out investments or just getting started, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have your XRP securely stored in a compatible wallet, like a hardware wallet or a trusted exchange app. In 2025, we might see enhanced security features, so double-check for any updates. Step 1. Log into a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP, such as those with improved user interfaces for easier navigation. If you don't have an account, sign up and complete the verification process. Expect quicker KYC approvals by then. Once you're in, transfer your XRP from your wallet to your exchange account. This usually involves copying and pasting your exchange wallet address and confirming the transaction. Next, sell your XRP for your local currency. By 2025, exchanges might offer better conversion rates or automated tools to minimize fees, so keep an eye on market prices to get the best deal. After selling, withdraw the funds to your bank account. Go to the withdrawal section, select your bank, enter your account details, and confirm the transfer. Remember, processing times could be faster in 2025 due to advanced payment rails, but always account for potential network fees. Finally, once the funds hit your bank, you're all set. A quick tip. Stay informed about taxes and regulations, as crypto laws might have changed by then. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.